Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Tube. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix maximum number of attempts reach on TikTok. So sometimes what happens, you try to log into your account and you are unable to log in due to some let's say false attempts, and then it says maximum number of attempts reached. So how you can fix it, so let's just learn it. So just follow me, and if you have any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just check your internet connection for once, go to settings and go to apps, and then go to apps again from here, and from here just go with the TikTok. Okay, where it is, so TikTok, and over here go to storage and do one thing. So clear data, clear cache memory, do both things, do both option, and then try to log in again. You will be able to attempt once again in TikTok. So that's how you do it. That's pretty much, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.